Hey, and welcome. In this lesson, we're going to be going over what you can expect from the upcoming lessons in this section. So this is all about JavaScript and covering some useful methods and JavaScript code snippets that you can utilize within your JavaScript applications. So in the upcoming lessons, the code is going to be presented with the editor on the left-hand side. This is using brackets editor, and this is available at brackets.io, open source text editor. And you can see the code is going to be written in the left-hand side. We're rendering out the HTML page using the live script because we are going to need this when we look at fetch later on in the section. And we're rendering out the JavaScript code, which just includes a simple div and a button, and it's linking to app.js. And this is where we're going to be writing all of the JavaScript coding. So it gives us an option to have a button that can trigger an event, as well as a div where we can output some of the content used and that some of the response from JavaScript. And for the most part, we are going to be using the console. So the console is opened up fairly big, and we're going to be doing a lot of communication from our JavaScript code into the console. So console, and I am using Chrome as my browser. And you can open up the console, again, going to more tools and developer tools, or you can right-click on inspect. So there's a number of different ways, as well as shortcuts that are different for Macs as well as for Windows machines to open this up. And most browsers will have some format of developer tools, but we are going to be utilizing Chrome. So if you do want to follow along exactly what I'm doing within the course, then you can go ahead and use Chrome as well. So once you've got your developer environment set up, create your index page, and this can just include that one div and a button, and then link it to apps.js, and then this is where we're going to be writing the JavaScript code. So all of that is yet to come. So go ahead, get set up and ready to code some JavaScript starting next lesson.